episode. This should be number, for me it's number 6. It's about basically we will going. So basically, what I'm going to do is I want to update the play routine that Dino Run uses. I'm using an old one, and I want to use a newer one. And also explain what I did since the last episode before I released it. So basically, I'm not changing anything to it. I'm just updating some code, but nothing changes in the sense from a game point of view. So let's start with the usual ritual. Let's go to the browser. Okay, so as you all know, please like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. I always say this, but just to remind you. I remind you also that under each video there are links to the code, to the videos, to the playlist, etc. So please click there. The link should take you to one of these directories or other directories depending on where you're coming from, but normally it takes you to the Mega drive, mega.nz, where I have my storage in relation to this. Each episode has got its own zip file or source code related to it. As you can see, the sources for the first 3 episodes related to Aussie are also there. Okay. May I remind you that there is my Facebook page to like, follow, etc. And same, there is my Facebook Phase 101 group. Same thing, we have the Commodore Facebook group, so please subscribe to the groups, the Phase 101 and the Commodore Dev, like, etc. Guys, I'm not trying to beg, okay? I'm just asking you, if you want to help me, this is how you can help me. If you want to get in touch with me, you want my help for anything, you can write me messages on Facebook. I take time. I answer though very quickly, normally on Discord. So please join Discord if you want a quicker response. I did have people that complained on Facebook how long I took, but I'm not on Facebook all the time. Also, Facebook, the latest interface is so annoying. And last but not least, for those that do not like Discord or anything else, you can also text me and join the group on the Phase 101 group on Telegram, and you can message me there. As far as I know, that's basically it, except for if you want to support us, now you should know there is Patreon or Coffee. Right now you will unlock 73 videos on Patreon or Coffee. To be fair, it is 75. There are 2 that I haven't acknowledged yet. But yeah, they are a mirror of each other, so I do not I update both. That's basically it. So let's jump to Visual Code. And actually this. So I want to use this sorry, not this one, but I want to change this play routine to a newer version of the play routine, which works a bit differently. Now, I did make some note in relation to it. Hello, Hello, Defender. That's how I prefer to call you. Hello, Defender. Thanks for the sub. Actually, hold on. You gifted subs. Oh, thank you very much. Wow, thank you for gifting a sub to Gary. Hello, Gary. So, I did make some notes, and I'm going to follow them because the routine is a bit different. Now, for those that haven't realized, okay, the routine was always there. I just haven't used it. So if you go, I mean, first of all, let me show you something. Let's go back to the browser and let's go to Mega. Okay. So, hold on, it's for Patreons. So what I was going to say is the code is there, but it's for Patreons. I haven't released the game, so I haven't released the code, but you will get it. What I was going to say that let's go back to the screen. In the directory where I have libs, okay, I know it's maybe small to see because it's not, but under it there's a directory called PT player, and that's where the new play routine sits. It was always there, it's just I was trying to find time to do it, but in the meantime I was using the other routine, okay, because that I knew how to use, hence why I did it the way I did it. By the way, guys, I need to thank Musaferb or Defender. It's thanks to him that I found myself on the Amiga Addict magazine. It's thanks to his work that this happened, and he really did an amazing job, I have to say. So thank you. So first things first, I need to, actually I did it already. I also have a copy of the new play routine in the directory where the other one is. So I'm just going to, by the way, I can show it, no problem. Let's hope it still works. This is my end version of the game. This is what I submitted for RPI, okay? So I'm just changing the play routine, but it doesn't mean anything. So we know it works because I needed to test it before I even start. Okay, and it is working as it's supposed to. No, I didn't see any bugs. Let's put it this way. There is one thing that annoys me because I'm using So because I'm using hardware collision and everything is one color, okay, it's pixel perfect. Basically, it's you die very quickly as soon as you hit one pixel. In theory, that can be improved, but because I only have one color on the screen, that's basically it. Anyway, it's working. That's the most important thing. So let's go back here. Okay, so this one is the play routine that we need to use. Okay, as you can see, this was updated 2022. Okay, so I was not using it and I need to use it, and it has all these functions here. Okay, while the one that I was using doesn't have so many functions. So this is why I want to start using it. So I need the game to test. The first thing that we need, I'm going to bring it here. Close the old one and get the new one. Okay, so that I can read the notes of it. So the first thing is that we need to change here, no? Instead of this, because to be fair, okay, this play routine that I was using is an old one, but it was modified by myself and Crane, to be fair. We modified it to our needs, but now we do not need to do that. So we can use this one. Hence, what we will do, as always, comment it out. And use the new one. So that's the first step. Now, and this one I will not do. It says, it looks like, okay, that you need to initialize this to get the music playing, but I would like to test it without doing the empty install CIA. I want to use it normally controlling the vertical blank. It still has the option of controlling it via the vertical blank, but for some reason, unless you do that, it doesn't, I believe it doesn't work. So we will see. So I'm just looking at my notes now. So that I did the first change. Now the install CIA. That should be I'm not going to do it, but I need to see where I should put it. Probably it has to come here. Okay, so it should be there. Okay, so that's the right place. I'm just going to make a note. Install CIA. Then we have our first play. So I'm just going to copy it. Comment it down. So now you're going to see that to end the music, uh, there you go. This is to stop playing the current module and sound effects. So it has an underscore at the beginning. Okay, so let's do it like that. And it needs this in A6. I'm just going to do it here, A6. Because as you can see here, it's saying 86, and custom means if you go up, custom is the custom chip register set base address, which is DFF000. So, like for the VIC chip on the Commodore 64, we have the D000 for the start of VIC chip registers. The Amiga has got DFF000 for its registers. Now here, empty init. So empty init, this one, is a bit different than what we knew. As you see, I only pass the song, which song I need, and it would normally initialize, but this one is a bit, needs more things. So, should I save the registers? Because I'm not trusting here myself. I'm going to waste a bit of cycles, but I'm just going to do it just since I'm testing right now. Hello, Ozzy. So, I'm going to this, I believe, and comment the original out. So this needs to be in A6. It is set here, but now I'm just going to play it safe. The the module. That is here is the music, so empty data. So it requires so A6 is fine. Then track module, so 80. Hope it doesn't. I'm hoping this routine doesn't use empty data. Let's see. Into 80, right? So that's one. Then we need the address of VBR. So move.long VBR. The startup file should do this for us. The only thing I don't know if it's like this or like this. Yeah. I think it's this. One. Actually, I can find what it is. Base VBR, base VBR, base VBR. So that, and where is empty? Then A1 equals sample null if 0. So when A1 is null, the samples are assumed to be sorted after the patterns. In this case, we do not have SFX because we are hold on. That should be 0. I'm mixing something else. So image 0. And then init song. Um, that should remain the same. I should initialize. So no, this is where it kills me, okay? If I'm understanding it correctly. Hi, Vamped Amiga. So thank you. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, we all have our busy life, no? So, but yeah, thank you very much. So, initialize a new module. So when it plays it, I think empty music. So empty init. Okay, so this is the init that I was doing, right? This is the init. Okay, so I'm doing it correct. And it was title music. So yeah, but this one needs to be, what register does it use? The 0. So this goes into the 0. And one was byte. Address users are no, of course. Okay, I think that is correct. Now, I'm only going to do for now the intro, okay? So to make sure, so here we initialize the music. Now, here is where we have we play the music. So that should be, actually, let's do it the proper way. So we always remember how it was. And this should be A6. And it should be underscore empty music, right? We have the music for the intro. At least I think I have it. Yeah, because now game starts. So Okay, so I might need to do this. Okay, so if it doesn't work, I think I will need to do this. So let's see. Really? It allows you to set 3 minutes ads every 8 minutes. Every 8 minutes? What will they watch if you put an advert every 8 minutes? That's not right. Yeah, exactly. Excuse me. So let's run it. And there you go. I have the N error. Of course, of course, of course. Where is it? Of course. It's not right though. Empty init. Let's look at it again. A6 custom. Okay. A0 track module. Okay. A1 samples. Or it can be null. Null is at 0. Um, really? Okay, now empty music. Of course, it's going to complain on the others. Okay, so I'm just going to concentrate on the game intro, okay, just to get it to work. So I'm going to switch off all the others. Because it will complain. So let's comment it out. Let's comment it out. That needs commenting out. Anyway, the code, I will not let the code arrive there anyway, so yeah. Okay. Is there another one? No. This is okay. And I believe we are fine. Okay. Let's see. Again, there's another one. Someone. Where is that? In which module? Ah, check choice. Okay, okay. You're right, you're right. That is utils. Utils. This one, of course. Right now you cannot do that. Where is check for joystick fire? I just did it. Ah, of course. One is mouse, one is joystick. Yeah. Okay, so finally, let's see if it will play the music or not. No music. No music. So, but at least it didn't crash. But let's put it this way. So I think we need to do this init CIA. This one. I think we need to call this. So I was hoping it doesn't need to do that, but it needs it. Here. Okay. So what it needs TF6 again. Six again. It needs VBR now. It needs VBR in 0. So long base VBR and it needs PAL flag. So PAL means a non-zero flag selects PAL. Okay, so we need to put a 1 or something like that. And that is a byte. Not bytes. 0, comma, 0. Then W score okay, let's see. How is it written? T underscore reference to undefined symbol. Oi. Reference to undefined symbol underscore MT install underscore CIA. Undefined symbol. That doesn't make hold on. How did I expect to play the music? So let's comment it out again. We need to initialize it and then play it. And even here. Okay. So let's start again. And now empty init is not known. So let's look for empty init to see how it is defined. Okay, Zorsi, enjoy. Yeah, yeah. Oz is going to start in a minute. Um, so yeah, I thought I will get this running before we start, but it looks like I'm not going to succeed. Why is this not? What sorcery is this? That's saying it's not there. I mean, it's underscore empty in it. So why it's not finding it? Well, let's see the error again. Reference to undefined symbol. It is defined. Ah, empty underscore music. Uh, both of them. So let me do something. Let's call it song. Let's call it. Now, I know it's different, but that eliminates some doubt that I have in my head in relation to namings. So we should get the same errors. Yeah. So now empty in it. Why did I put a comment there? Okay, relocation now. Player to player 1 minus vars. This is strange. It's very strange that it's giving me an error there. Why is giving an error there? Why it said illegal relocation? Boom, 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 boom. Of course. Of course. I think this module has got, where is it? Of course. I think this module, changing from one play routine to another, I think that needs to be, does it have a section directive? So this PT player, let's have a look at it. This is It's not liking references. Okay, so player.asm, so that's correct. Illegal relocation. How can it be illegal when you were working a few minutes ago? And this is on the game core. So it's doing this and it's saying illegal relocation. It's doing this. Initializing the game variables. And I just found the bug. It should not be there. It was working, but it was a bug. It should be like that. It's failing on this. But why it's failing on this doesn't make sense. So let's see where these are. There. Now, okay, I'm going to call it a night. Thank you very much. Bye bye.